control car here, along with the Punisher. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of unboxing. Hey, I just realized this car is almost to scale, I think. Well, we'll see. Once I get it unboxed, we'll see if it's actually to scale. All right, so again, Punisher's here. He's gonna help with the unboxing of the Back to the Future car. All right, so again, I was looking for the Psylocke and Thanos 2-pack at Target, and the day that I went, they didn't have it, so I was a little bummed. And then when I turned around, I saw this, literally just right behind me in the RC, the remote control car section. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. Let's see what it comes with. Okay, so it looks like it's got, how many, you're gonna need 3 or 2 AAA batteries for the remote control, and built-in rechargeable battery with USB cable. So it looks like the car is just USB powered. Alright, how do I get this thing out? USB powered. Oh, in case you didn't see the detail, it's 2.4 gigahertz. Oh, it lights up too. Okay. Yeah, I'm all into the Back to the Future, and I was a little bummed out when I went to San Diego Comic-Con and I missed out with the Back to the Future items. I was just too tired to wait in that long line, but I guess I should have waited, because now I kind of regret not having it. Boy, this thing is hard to unbox. Alright, let's see. What's the easiest way to get this thing out? There we go. I think I'm just gonna rip this thing apart, bro. What the heck? The thing about Jada toys, you know, they always have the screws. Like the Jada cars, actually. They always have the screws on the bottom. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe. Can I unlock it this way? Oh, there we go, much better. These are so much better than actually screws, because there are times you don't have a screwdriver on hand. Oh man, all right. Let's see. Can't throw away the box because the accessory, like this right here, is still on. So cannot miss that. Don't want to miss this. This is an important part. Don't want to misplace that. All right, here's the remote. Remote kind of cheap feeling. So I need to get batteries for this, 2 AAA batteries, like I said. But it's kind of cute though, look. What? Oh look, it's got like the digital, the analog sign right there. The 88 miles per hour. Instructions. Garbage. All right, so let's take a look at this. This is the Back to the Future car, the remote control car. USB, I'm gonna assume to open, you need to open this right here. Is this word? There you go. USB. Boom. Charge this thing up. It's kind of cool that it is USB powered instead of having to buy more batteries. Ooh, it lights up already. All right. Okay, so it is a bit small. It is. At first I thought it was, scale all right, but no, it's a bit small. Definitely a bit small. Maybe for a 3 3/4 figure, it might work. That's too bad. Do the doors open? No, they do not open. So it looks like this is the underbody. It's really nothing to it. It should light up, but let's see. It might not light up because I don't have... Oh, there we go. What? Wow, that's cool. Okay, there we go. Finally off. Alright, I think the battery finally died. I think it lost its juice. But yep, this is it. I'm gonna try to get some AAA batteries. Alright, so I pulled this tab out. So I'm thinking this is like the battery tab. Where it gives a little bit of power. Is there already a battery there? Because I saw a light blinking in here. This light was blinking. Oh, there we go. Oh, look. There is battery in here. What the heck? And here I thought I had to go get batteries. Jeez. Alright, let's just check out the power to this thing. Went to go get batteries for no reason. Alright, let's see. So let's turn this on. Alright, I don't have space to put on. Okay. Look at that. There we go. Listen to that. Here we go. Okay, okay. Nice. Nice, cool. Back. As fast as it goes. Nice. That's pretty cool. Oh, let's turn on the boom. 88 miles per hour, baby. That's cool. All right, so that's it. I mean, it's really nothing to it. It's a pretty cool novelty remote. Is there like a switch? How do you turn this thing off? Or does it go off by itself? I think it might go up by itself. I hope it goes off by itself. I don't think there's no on and off switch on here. Yeah, because I can't see myself putting this back in here. No. Yeah, it should go off by itself, I hope. But anyways, that's it. I bought this for like, I think $23. Because I was able to use my 20% discount for the teacher appreciation week. So yeah, this is Back to the Future remote. All right, yeah, thanks for watching, and thanks for joining me with this quick video here with the DeLorean and Punisher in the background or foreground. All right, until then, I'll see you guys later.